Hey guys, welcome back to amrubberbandcrafts. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a bumblebee charm, just like this. A cute little bumblebee. In this black rubber band, you can hook it on to anything. I'm also sorry that I haven't been making videos. I got an infection in my ear and I did not want to do anything, and I was really busy with family. I'm sorry about that, but I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make that, and hopefully I'll be making videos more often. So let's get to it. Okay, so you're going to need to put your rubber bands in a sequence order that to me seems easier. It's going to be 2 black, 3 yellow, 3 black, 3 yellow, 3 black, 2 white, and 1 black at the end. You're also going to need a hook, and you don't even need a C band or an S band or whatever you use. So first you're going to take one of your black rubber bands and hook it around here 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Make a cat band. Same with your next one. 1, 2, 3. So they're on there like that. Then you're going to take all 3 of your yellow rubber bands at the same time and hook it on there like that. Then take both of your black rubber bands, hook it on there, push your bands down, and hook on. It should look like that. Then you're going to take all 3 of your black rubber bands, hook it on there, take your yellow bands and hook it on the black ones, push your bands down and hook it back on. So it looks like that with the black and yellow sequins, like a bumblebee or a wasp or whatever. Then next, take all 3 of your yellow rubber bands, hook it on there just like the other times. Take your black, push it on there, push it, or hook it on there. Hook it on the hook. You should have a 4 pattern. Let me get both of my other rubber bands out, and this is what it should look like. It should be 2 yellow and 2 black. And that's what it is, 2 yellow and 2 black. Then you take all 3, or how many rubber bands? No. So we get these 3 black rubber bands, you're going to take one of these, hook it on there, take your yellow rubber bands, hook it on there like that, and push your bands down and hook it back on. Then you're going to take the second rubber band, pull it over the hook, and it should look like that. Then you just make sure it's tight, hook it on there, then take the hook out, and that's the start of your bumblebee. Then you're going to take your 2 white bands, and this is the way I like to do it. I know there's other ways to do the wings, but this one to me is better. So this middle black rubber band, you're going to take the top 2, hook it on there, push your hook through. Then you're going to take your 2 white rubber bands, hook it on your hook, and then here. My white one came unhooked. You're technically going to do with your bumblebee what we've been doing with the other rubber bands. So like I said, hook your white ones on there, then pull your bumblebee up and through, and hook it on. So it should look like, oh my gosh, what happened to our rubber band? It's like unhooked. Here, I'll be back when I fix it. Okay, so I fixed it. So what you should have been at, you should have pulled your white bands through, and it should be hooked on like that, like we did at the beginning. Then you're going to take the last 2 bands, hook it over like we did with that black rubber band, and pull it tight so they won't come undone. Make sure not to snap your bands. Now there might be a little lump right there, and that's okay. If you figure out a way to tuck it in, that's fine, but I just leave it like that. And there you go. This is how you make your rubber band bee. If you want to make a longer bee, you just keep doing what I said at the beginning, and then you just figure it out. But bees are very small, so I just do about 2 of each color. Now with this black rubber band, you can hook it onto different things, but if you don't want it, you just want to maybe stick it somewhere or whatever you do with it, but you don't want to hook it on anything, or maybe you want to use the wings, just cut it, and it makes little antennas, and you get yourself a non-hookless bee. I don't know what to call it, but I know another way to do it. And also there's another way to do the wings, but I think that way is a little better and the wings stay easier and you have a less chance of them like falling out. And if any of the parts get loose, you just pull the bands, but make sure not to snap them because then you might have to start all over again with whatever part. But thanks for watching this video. Hopefully I helped you out with this rubber band bee, and I will be making other videos on different bracelets and maybe other charms. If you have any ideas of what you want me to make, comment down below and I will do them in my next video. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye!